Hi, I'm Dr. McCoy-Wilson, and I'm the Dean of Arts and Sciences at Atlanta Technical College. In the Arts and Sciences Division, we strive to develop the core academic competencies that will ensure student success across all programs. Those core competencies will also prepare students for the global workplace. In the Arts and Sciences Division, we house general education courses in English, the humanities, social sciences, and first-year experience. We also provide learning support and tutorial support through the Academic Success Center. The division also highlights an Associate of Applied Science degree in Interdisciplinary Studies, as well as an Early College Essentials Technical Certificate of Credit. As always, we look forward to serving you in summer 2020 and beyond.